Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install WeChat app. WeChat app is a payment solution completely integrated inside the social and messaging application of Tencent. It appears in the WeChat wallet section of the application. Through the wallet section and the integrated browser of WeChat, users can perform a variety of transactions using WeChat Pay. So, to install, go to Play Store and search WeChat. And then click the install button. You are now installing the app. Simply wait for the download to complete, and then you can start using the app right away. And that's how you complete your WeChat download. When you're finished, if you want to launch the app, simply click Open in the App Store or click the WeChat icon on the home screen of your device. If you're ready to start using the app, you need to sign up first. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.